What if I told you the smallest country among Sri Lanka, India, and Bangladesh is actually producing some of the world's highest quality garments? Today, we're diving deep into the truth behind the garment industry, and why Sri Lanka might be outperforming giants like India and Bangladesh in ways most people don't even realize. Stay till the end, because the final truth might surprise you. When it comes to global clothing exports, Bangladesh and India dominate in volume. Huge factories, cheap labor, and mass production. But Sri Lanka plays a completely different game: quality over quantity. Section 1. Quality versus quantity. Bangladesh is known as the world's second largest garment exporter. India also produces massive volumes. But here's the catch: most of their production is focused on low-cost, bulk orders. Sri Lanka, on the other hand, focuses on premium apparel. Brands like Nike, Victoria's Secret, and Marks Spencer trust Sri Lankan factories for high-end production. Sri Lanka doesn't compete in volume, it dominates in quality, precision, and finishing. Section 2. Ethical manufacturing. Here's where Sri Lanka stands far ahead. Sri Lanka is known for garments without guilt. This means no child labor, fair wages, safe working conditions. In contrast, Bangladesh has faced global criticism in the past for factory safety issues, including the tragic Rana Plaza collapse. India also struggles with labor consistency due to its vast, unregulated sectors. Sri Lanka has built a reputation as one of the most ethical garment producers in the world. Section 3. Innovation technology. Sri Lanka invests heavily in innovation. Factories use advanced automation, sustainable fabrics, eco-friendly production. Some Sri Lankan factories are even carbon neutral, leading the global push for sustainable fashion. India and Bangladesh are improving, but Sri Lanka is already ahead in future-ready manufacturing. Section 4. Skilled workforce. Sri Lanka focuses on skill development, not just labor. Workers are trained in design, precision, high-end stitching, technical garment production. That's why Sri Lanka produces complex items like sportswear, lingerie, performance apparel. Meanwhile, Bangladesh focuses more on basic garments like t-shirts and jeans. Section 5. Global brand trust. Top global brands choose Sri Lanka for reliability and consistency. Why? Because Sri Lanka delivers on-time production, premium quality, ethical standards. India and Bangladesh may offer cheaper prices, but Sri Lanka offers trust and reputation. Conclusion. Final verdict. So, who wins? Bangladesh equals mass production king. India equals large-scale and diverse production. Sri Lanka equals premium quality plus ethics plus innovation. Sri Lanka may be smaller, but it's clearly leading in value, not volume. So next time you wear a high-quality branded outfit, there's a good chance it was made in Sri Lanka. Do you think Sri Lanka is truly the best in garments? Or do India and Bangladesh still lead overall? Comment your opinion below.